Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be taking a look at a collaboration with the Adidas team and Fear of God. This is a new silhouette that we haven't actually discussed on the channel before. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the Los Angeles Runner, and this is in the clay colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings and reviews. Today we're going to be covering the Adidas Fear of God collaboration with Jerry. This is technically, I guess, his second round of drops for some sneakers. Definitely wanted to snag a pair on the first drop. These were initially in the Sesame colorway. Decided to pass on them, but this time around I was really in love with the clay, so I picked up the clay tone. We'll go through the overview on these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really neutral tone, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. For those of you who are Fear of God fans, you probably definitely wanted to snag a pair of these. Again, these did drop in a sort of small, I guess, collection, not necessarily a capsule collection, which typically Jerry does drop clothing alongside of the sneakers. This time around, he actually dropped a capsule collection for basketball clothing separately from this. This did drop though with the basketball sneaker alongside of it in the same clay colorway. I decided to go with the more lifestyle version of the sneaker in this clay tone. I do love the finish and the materials that Jerry decided to go with on these. As far as the tone goes, it's very neutral and monotone, which is very symbolic of Jerry and the Fear of God brand. As far as materials, they're definitely premium, so you're getting a bit higher quality on this specific collaboration. Really high premium suede in that clay tone, as well as this textile material on the toe box here, and it is very soft and squishy and malleable, so very comfortable form-fitting sneaker when it comes to the upper. As far as the side panels go, for the laces you'll see around the eyelets, you're still getting that premium suede, which also hits perfectly on the tongue as well. It is a very nice thin tongue, which again, you can just really feel how high quality this suede and leather texture is. We do have a neutral lace lock. I almost actually didn't even see it because it blends so well with this lace color scheme, but it is in that clay tone as well. If you do want to add a little bit more mixture of tones to this to match kind of the midsole, you do get an additional set of laces in this cream colorway. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. So moving along to the side panels, keeping again a very monochromatic look and feel, you've got the stripes in this neutral clay tone, and then underneath and between the stripes you're getting that textile material also in the clay finish. Then on the back of the heel you're getting the dual textures in the clay finish, as well as the same color and materials on the lateral side. The interior is actually very high quality as well. You've got, it feels as though it is actually a leather texture. As far as the insole goes, you're just getting a pretty high quality soft material for the insole and a nice same hue as that clay tone. And then we have a embossed Adidas logo. Then on the back here, you've got the Fear of God branding in this rubber finish. And then we've got more of a cream finish for the midsole and a translucent outsole in this kind of creamy textured colorway. And we've got a nice kind of rugged look on the bottom of that outsole as well, which is really cool and different. It actually kind of extends out of that midsole, making it more of a wider base and also making it a more comfortable silhouette. As far as the inspiration goes, this silhouette actually is kind of inspired and based off of the Retropy E5 silhouette. So if you compare the two silhouettes, you can definitely see a lot of similarities with this archival sneaker. All right, so let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I actually went up half a size on these and I definitely felt like they fit me perfectly. I do have higher snow feet, so depending on whether or not you have flatter, wider feet, that could slightly differentiate just because we do have different types of feet. So take that into consideration when you're trying to figure out what size will work best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, this is very symbolic of Jerry and the Fear of God brand, very neutral in tone and finish. So very easy to style. I decided to go with some Fear of God cream sweats for the first look. And then for the top, I wore a jacket that was a zip up in a faux textured fur, and it was a nice creamy tone and finish to really match the midsole. Then for the second look, I decided to go with a matching navy blazer and pair of matching navy pants that had a nice kind of cream trimming to it. Again, just to kind of give you an option for a dressier look. Last and final look, I decided to go with a denim maxi skirt, which was a lighter dyed denim. And then for the top, I wore an Adidas cream turtleneck.
Big VIP with the bosses, that's where I be. Throwing money in the air while I'm standing on the seas. Popping bottles with the models, get like me. My wrist on froze, never missing any meals. I feel like LeBron cause I get the ring. If you're bad and you know it, you're my 2020 twin. You can roll with me cause all I do is win.
All right, so as far as resale goes, these retailed at $170 on the Confirmed app. They're currently going between $170 to $240, depending on your size range. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.
Let's go. I'm a hot girl.